Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 that is actually the Canadian model of the Note 20. And this is a device that does indeed have the Google account lock enabled because as we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the device was reset. And to continue, we have to either verify the previous screen lock pin that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google Account instead, it'll pull up this screen that also gives us the option to sign into the previous Google account that was on it. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on the specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. And then after the purchase, the buyer discovered the lock, and obviously they weren't going to have any of the previous user's info, and in those cases the seller has usually long since disappeared, since it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. So we're making this video to show everyone that we do offer a service to be able to get the lock removed from this exact model without having to have the previous user's login info. It's something that we do directly to the device while it's plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we just did here with this one. So as you could clearly see, the device was on the Google lock page, and then I just plugged it in here to my computer program to take off the lock for us. Now that the phone has restarted, we should be able to see that it actually just takes us directly to the device's lock screen, where all of the alerts and messages normally show up. And if we go ahead and swipe away on that, we can see that we do have access straight to the home screen, all of the apps and settings and features, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, I'm going to jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with so that it's clear. So under About Phone, we can indeed see that we have a Galaxy Note 20, a 5G of course, and then that model number there, the SM-N981W, that is the model of the Canadian version of the Note 20. So, if you have one of these Canadian Note 20s and need help getting the Google lock removed from it, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of our details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could interest you someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.